Welcome. This video explores the concept of building self-organizing teams and how to foster autonomy and accountability in agile environments. We will be looking at the core principles and benefits of self-organizing teams. So, what exactly are self-organizing teams? They are teams that manage their own work. They determine the best way to accomplish goals and adapt to changing requirements without constant external direction. Think of it as a group of skilled individuals working together, deciding how to best use their talents to achieve a common objective. There are three core principles for self-organizing teams. These are autonomy, purpose, and accountability. First, autonomy. Teams have the freedom to make decisions about how to accomplish their work without micromanagement. Second, purpose. There is a clear understanding of goals and objectives that align with organizational vision and mission. Third, accountability. Team members take ownership of their commitments and hold themselves responsible for outcomes. There are several benefits of self-organizing teams. Increased productivity. Teams that self-organize can eliminate bottlenecks and streamline processes without waiting for approval. Enhanced innovation. Autonomy encourages creative problem-solving and experimentation with new approaches. Adaptability. Self-organizing teams respond more quickly to changing requirements and market conditions. Finally, team growth. Members develop leadership skills and cross-functional capabilities through shared responsibility. Building self-organizing teams also comes with its own unique set of challenges. Control issues. Managers may struggle to relinquish control and trust teams to make decisions independently. The approach to solving this problem is gradual transition with clear boundaries and regular check-ins. Skill gaps. Team members may lack necessary skills for self-organization or cross-functional collaboration. The approach to solving this is to invest in training and mentoring programs to develop required capabilities. Unclear direction. Without clear goals and boundaries, self-organizing teams can lose focus or alignment. The approach to solving this is to establish clear objectives and constraints while leaving implementation details to the team. Leadership has a very important role in self-organizing teams. The leadership model changes from manager to enabler. Leaders shift from directing work to creating the environment where teams can succeed autonomously. This includes actions like removing obstacles, providing direction, and facilitating growth. Removing obstacles. Identify and eliminate barriers that prevent teams from making progress. Provide direction. Communicate clear goals and vision without prescribing how to achieve them. Facilitate growth. Create opportunities for learning and skill development within the team. The slide shows the building blocks for self-organization. Psychological safety. Creating an environment where team members feel safe to take risks and be vulnerable. Key practices are to encourage open communication and normalize failure as learning. Clear boundaries. Defining the team's authority, responsibilities, and constraints clearly. Key practices are to document decision-making authority and establish team working agreements. Continuous learning. Building a culture of improvement and adaptation through regular reflection. Key practices are to have regular retrospectives and knowledge-sharing sessions. Transparency. Making information, progress, and challenges visible to all team members. Key practices are to use visual management boards and have open access to metrics and data. Accountability is an important part of self-organizing teams. The accountability cycle includes commit, execute, measure, and learn. When teams commit to a goal, they must then execute it. Measuring the progress can help the team see how well the execution is going, and learning from the results helps to drive the next cycle. Other practices includes team commitments. Encourage teams to make collective commitments rather than individual ones to foster shared responsibility. Visible progress. Use visual management tools to make progress, blockers, and outcomes transparent to everyone. Regular feedback. Implement short feedback loops to help teams adjust course and learn continuously. Measuring the maturity of a team is also an important step. A team starts by forming, then develops, and finally performs. Forming is when the team is dependent on leadership direction with limited autonomy. Developing is when the team is growing in confidence and experimenting with self-direction. Performing is when the team is fully autonomous with high accountability and adaptation. There are a few indicators such as decision-making, problem-solving, continuous improvement, and collaboration. Decision-making. How decisions are made and who makes them without escalation to management. Problem-solving. Team's ability to identify and resolve issues independently. Continuous improvement. Frequency and effectiveness of team-initiated improvements. Collaboration. How team members work together and share responsibilities. Here are the key takeaways. Trust is fundamental. Self-organization requires leadership trust and psychological safety for team members to take risks. Clear boundaries. Autonomy works best within well-defined constraints and clear goals that align with organizational objectives. Leadership evolution. Leaders must shift from directing to enabling, removing obstacles and providing resources. Continuous growth. Self-organization is a journey that requires ongoing learning, adaptation, and maturity development. As next steps, begin with small experiments in autonomy and gradually expand as team confidence and capability grow. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.